are so excited to show you the new upgraded version of the Nuna Tavo. Now, we loved the stroller before, but now it's sporting a facelift. And the great thing about it is they didn't raise the price. So it still puts it at $349.99, which is an awesome deal once I show you all the features that are included within the stroller. So it comes in two colors. This is the caviar, it's just all black. And then it also comes in aspen, which is like a blue melange. Gorgeous. Now, both of them are going to be the same price. I'm going to start by showing you the upgraded features, and then I'll go into all the features of the Tavo. Now, as you can see, it's sporting a leatherette handlebar, which is beautiful. So it just makes it look a little bit more elegant. As you can see, the fabrics are really nice and upgraded. If you've seen the original Tavo, they weren't my favorite, but these fabrics are really nice and soft and look beautiful. It also has an all-season seat, and this is similar to the Demigro that they just launched. And what that is basically mesh panel in the back to make it cooler, especially during the summer. So you can leave this insert in for the winter, keeping it nice and cozy. And then in the summer, you can take it off, and that's going to make it great and breathable. Now, it also, as you can see, has a blacked out frame as well as wheels. Now, another feature that they added, and this actually does affect how well it maneuvers, is they increase the suspension. And as you can see, that's quite a bit of suspension, and that's included on all 4 tires. So it's going to ride really well over different terrain, especially with those nice large tires. The Nuna Tavo is approved to use from birth up to 50 pounds. Now, the way they can do that is with their nice deep recline, but then also has a makeshift bassinet. So it has these 2 panels on both sides of the footrest, and those you will just button to the inside lining like that, and that's going to keep your baby from sliding out the bottom, which is nice. You don't have to add a bassinet, and if you're choosing not to use your car seat, it's awesome. Now, it has a nice generous canopy, as you can see, but then it also has a dream drape, and this is just an extended canopy that you pull out. And as you can see, that's like full coverage, which is great. They also have a peekaboo window, and that connects with magnets, so you're not going to wake up your sleeping baby. Love it. And then you have a mesh panel right here, and then it has a little toggle and loop that you can keep it up, and that's great for summer. Nice airflow through here to keep your baby from getting too hot. It has an included belly bar. Let me detach this real quick. So it has an included belly bar, and that's detachable. You just push on these 2 buttons on the inside. And so you can use it when your baby's little, and then as they get older and they're wanting to climb in and out on their own, then you can just take it off and not use it anymore. And the footrest is adjustable. You're just going to push on these 2 little buttons right here. So that can go down just to give you a little less space there so that your feet can go straight down. So it has a lot of cool features on the seat. Another great thing about the Nuna Tavo is it's compatible with the Nuna Pippa with no additional adapters. Now, you do have to have your belly bar attached, and you're going to recline that all the way. Tuck the foot in, and then it clicks right into place. As you can see, there is a little bit of wiggle room, but it's not going to come detached. It also releases with that back button, and that's great. A lot of times you'll release it on the sides, which is a little bit difficult, especially if you don't have really strong forearms. Now, it is nice that you have this canopy and this canopy. You're going to get full coverage, but during the summer you may not want that. You can detach the canopy all the way. So unzip here, and you can detach it all the way, or you can leave it attached. But the nice thing that the seat right here offers kind of like a mommy compartment. You can put your water bottle, your keys, your wallet, anything that you want to access really easily. And you might even be able to fit a small diaper bag right here for easy access, especially because when this is down, it might be a little bit difficult to access your basket underneath. So this just makes it really convenient to store some of your things that you want to keep close. As I mentioned before, the stroller will do pretty well on mild terrain. Now, it does have a pretty large wheel that's a soft rubber, so it's going to absorb some of the energy. It'll do really well at a park, not so much on a hike. Now, it does have increased suspension, which is fantastic. So it has a lot of give, and that's just going to absorb some of that energy if you go over an uneven curb, that sort of thing. Now, it does have an awesome step-on-step off foot brake. So red means stop, green means go. And so it makes it really easy. This is one of my favorite brakes on a stroller. Now you do have quite a bit of storage. So it has a decent sized storage basket underneath, but then it also has a little zipper pocket. And that's great to keep your cell phone safe or even your wallet so that people can't see it, but it's easy to access. All right, now how to fold. So you're gonna push with your thumb this little toggle and then squeeze with your fingers, push it forward, and it has an automatic lock right here. It does feature just kind of like a trolley feature. This is great. It keeps all of your soft goods off of the ground so they're not gonna get dirty. And then you can just kind of drag it to your car, put it in your trunk. Now a feature I really like is this swivel auto lock. For a while I thought, why would it swivel? So you can have it into place so it's gonna automatically lock, but then say you only have one hand available to open, so you're going to swivel it down and open. And it's a true one hand open, which really is not common in a stroller, but I love that feature. Now some things to consider with the stroller. It is a little bit on the heavy side at just over 23 pounds for a single stroller. And as you can see, it wasn't a super compact folder, but it was super easy and you don't often get that. It's also packed with tons of great features, with being able to put on the Nuna Pippa without the additional adapters, the trolley feature, and all the upgrades, the leatherette handlebar, the beautiful fabrics. Overall, we're super happy with this new upgraded Nuna Tavo. The Nuna Tavo retails for $349.95 and you can purchase that in store or online at babycubby.com, and everything ships for free. We understand how difficult parenting can be and how frustrating it can be to buy a stroller that you don't love. So we have you covered with our Love Your Stroller guarantee. If you buy a stroller, even if you use it, take it to the park and realize it's not fitting the needs of your family, you can bring it back within 60 days for credit to use toward a different stroller that you love. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can show you the new strollers that come out and keep you educated on baby gear.